This is a piecewise function. It's a calculator example, but I'm not going to use my calculator because the numbers seem to be friendly enough. The piecewise example says we're going to use this quadratic equation right here when x is in between -2 and 3. We're going to use this linear equation right here when x is in between 3, not including, and 10, not including. And the answer is going to be 5 if the x value is in between 10 and 12. So when f is 1, that applies to this scenario right here. So when f is 1 equals 9 times 1 minus 1 squared. 9 times 1 is 9. 1 squared is 1. The answer is 8. Easy peasy. When f is 10, that includes that guy right there. And when f is 10, no matter what, you're going to get 5. So f of 10 is 5. Hope this helps.